treated them with AIM, penetrated lubricant. I do that with everything that's rusty that needs to come apart. Give it another shot before we try to take them off. I also treat the threads on the back side as well. It's a little harder to get to. This bottom bolt is all gummed up. It's not going to have any rust on it because it's got so much grease on it. Cheating using air tools. There's one. There's two. Oh, come on now, get on there. Oh, stay. There we go. That reveals the pump and everything that I need to do to it. I gotta get that thing all cleaned up, get this seal off of there, get a new seal on it. Get this cleaned up and painted, and back on and ready to roll. I took the bolts for a quick ride on the wire wheel. They look much better. And you know how coins, when they have a little flaw, they're worth like $4 million or something crazy? Check this out. Look at that flaw in there. I'll be taking bids for this bolt. It's an original 1979 from a Ford F-250, nicknamed Midnight Maroon. Comment down below your bids for this bolt. Highest bid wins. Actually, I need this bolt, so it'd have to be a pretty high bid. Actually, I'd sell it to you.
Hi there, the food's ready.
Hey,
Get it.
Food's ready. Let's go get it. Before the wire wheel, you can tell it's been leaking. I'm gonna go clean this up, show you what it looks like after the wire wheel. And now after the wire wheel, I could have gone a little farther and kind of polished this up on the outside, but this is nothing that a little rust converter isn't going to resolve. We're not going for a polished look anyway, we're going to paint it black. On the back side there's still some grease and stuff. This is going to be back up against the bracket and you'll never see back here, so good enough for me. You guys will now know that it's there and just don't call me out on it. That's all I'm asking. Alright, next, mounting bracket. I guess I ought to show you the before. I'm not going to be able to get down too far into there, but again, you know, this is, oh, that actually goes this way. You'll never see back in there because it's going to be up against the pump. So I'll just do the best I can and we'll do rust converter down in there. And again, after the wire wheel. And just like I said, I didn't go for a polished look because we're going to use rust converter and paint it black anyway. And I also told you that I couldn't get down in the grooves, at least not safely, so I stopped, and that's close enough. That'll never be seen. Don't judge me. Just trying to get this project done, moving forward. Now onto the pump itself. You've seen me paint. I'm not going to show you painting, I'll just show you the finished product when it's all done. Yeah, so hold everything. I forgot to paint these. I went to put the lube on it and realized that that still looks like crap. That would be the ugliest thing under the hood. And just like that, we're painted and ready to assemble. A little bit of AIM penetrating lubricant to to help kind of grease the skids a little bit. Not perfect, I don't know what would be. This plug keeps coming off and fluid keeps just coming out. She's a bleeder. Yeah, and besides mashing my finger, that went pretty smooth. Got the original belt on. I don't remember how long it's been. I mean, the belt looks like it's okay, so we're going to go with that's good for now. At least we are to this point. I need to get the motor set back down on the blocks just so it's not putting so much strain on the hydraulics. Yeah, sorry about that audio. Lost the footage from my good camera. Stuff happens. Dang it. Anyway, this is Troy with DIY Home and Auto. This was just a quick short video to get you guys some content for the week. Getting the power steering pump all cleaned up and installed on the 351M that's going in Midnight Maroon. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe. If you are subscribed, ring the bell. Then you'll get notified of all the good stuff that we post. Comment down below, all those things. Love you guys, really appreciate it. I'm working on a 66 Ford F-250, kind of in tandem. Me and my son doing projects side by side. We're going to be spending the summer going to different events here locally in northern Utah, kind of showing off our workmanship and works in progress. These won't be done for a very long time. You guys understand that if you're in the process of restoring or building a particular vehicle. So really appreciate you following along. It means a lot to me. There will be links down below to different tools, those type of things. Those are affiliate links. Clicking on those and making a purchase just helps the channel by giving us a little bit of a kickback. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does us a favor and it helps more than you know. Really appreciate that. Again, this is Troy with DIY Home and Auto, and we'll see you guys in the next video.